This morning we're taking a journey through the market stalls and street stands of Israel right here in Austin. Oh, TLV is here. We've got chef and owner Bertie Richter. You're celebrating your one-year anniversary at TLV, and you guys are in the fairground.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, talk about TLV.
TLV is an Israeli street food stand. Basically, we're trying to pioneer bringing Israeli food to Austin, and we're doing all the popular things that people can find on the streets of Israel, such as falafel and sabich and hummus plates and roasted cauliflower and all the good stuff.
Yeah, smells really good. What is it?
Yeah. Well, today I'm going to prepare for you a dish called arayis, which in Arabic means brides. It's plural for bride. It's said to have been made for wedding parties in Syria and Lebanon. Okay. In the past few years, it kind of migrated into Israel and became a very popular dish. I'm featuring this dish this week as our anniversary special. We're going to be featuring a bunch of different specials, and this is going to be one of them. Yeah. So here we have some chopped lamb and beef. Usually we use, I like to use 3/4 beef and 1/4 of lamb fat. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, some cumin, parsley, and some chopped onions into it. Also, my little special secret, I fry whole cloves of garlic and then I mash them into the meat.
Okay.
For time restraints, I already prepared another mix here, so we can just, right? We'll take pitas that we cut in half and basically just stuff the meat into it, just like that. And basically, this dish is where the meat gets cooked inside the pita. So as opposed to basically cooking a pita, cooking the meat separately and just stuffing the pita inside, this meat is cooked inside. And what's going to happen here is all the delicious juices and the fat from the lamb and the beef are going to get absorbed inside the pita while it's cooking.
Sounds so nice.
And
absorbed is good.
Yeah. And then it's going to be nice and crispy. So you'll get the moisture inside and the nice crispiness outside. I like to accompany it with fresh tomato salad. I got some beautiful heirloom cherry tomatoes here that I like to mix with some fresh herbs, cilantro, dill, mint, scallions, all the good stuff. A bed of tahini, which if you're not familiar with is sesame paste. So it's a sauce made out of sesame paste. And we're just gonna scoop this out here and make this beautiful little fresh cherry tomato salad over tahini. We'll add some fire roasted jalapenos just for a little bit of kick for those who like the
bring a little Texas to it.
Right? And this magic yellow thing here is called amba. It's a very, very common and important condiment in the Israeli cuisine. It was brought by Iraqi Jews in the 50s, and it's a fermented mango sauce. It really adds a nice kick to pretty much everything that you put it on. And our customers seem to like it, really. I didn't know it was going to be so acceptable here in Texas,
I'm
but
sure we're going to like it.
That looks like the perfect meal to eat outside at the fairground.
Oh, yeah.
That little area.
Yes, especially on a nice day. You know, you sit, you'll get a pita like that, crispy, nice with a fresh tomato salad. Yeah. And so here we go. Our arayis is ready. You can make it on a charcoal grill, which is actually the preferred method. But you can see how nice the lamb is cooked inside, and it's all crispy on the outside and nice and juicy and moist on the inside.
It smells so good.
Right? So this one of the ways to make it is on a grill. If you don't have a charcoal grill at home, you can do it like this on a panini press or just in an oven.
Nice.
It reaches the exact same.
Well, just to wrap up, we got a graphic we can put up telling people where they can find you. Talk about the anniversary.
Yeah, so this week we're celebrating our one-year anniversary. I can't believe that it's already been a year.
Yeah.
The official date is March 7th, but starting tomorrow, March 2nd, we're going to start featuring different specials every day. This is going to be one of them. I can't tell you yet which day it's going to be. It's a surprise.
Okay.
But every day there's going to be a different special and a lot of other surprises coming, different dishes.
It's a surprise. You got to come every day in order to get this dish.
Every day, something else.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.